Neuralis City bathes in the glow of a shiny morning. As Grandma approaches the counter, a fun, colorful box of BoomBerry, colorful, yummy, cereal sits on the table, ready to make breakfast exciting. She lifts the cereal box. Its bright colors sparkle in her eyes. She opens the box, revealing the colorful cereal inside. The cereal's fun colors seem to shout, "Let's have a fun day!" Luma gets ready to enjoy a yummy breakfast. She takes her first bite crunch, and her eyes go big with surprise. Luma says, "Wow, this tastes amazing." Luma takes another big spoonful, smiling as she enjoys every bite. She munches happily, loving the fun and fruity flavors. But then, Luma stops. She puts a hand on her chest. Her smile fades. Something doesn't feel right. The kitchen, once full of joy, now feels quiet and strange. The smart appliances hum, their quiet efficiency a stark contrast to Luma's escalating distress. Luma says, "Grandma, I don't feel so good." Grandma rushes over and gently takes her hand calm and ready. She presses the small device against Luma's forehead with a determined look. She picks up a small device. It lights up with a soft glow, shining on Grandma's face. A big red warning flashes on Grandma's device. Something is wrong. The device warns, "Glucose, 170, very high." Luma still holding the bright cereal box, but now it doesn't look so fun. She saw the tiny information chart on the box. Luma says, "Why does this cereal have so much sugar? It's not even candy." Luma stares at the cereal box. Its bright colors feel like a trick now. She thought it was fun, but it hid a big secret. Grandma grabbed box of BoomBerry box, her eyes searching for answers. In the middle of their smart home, Grandma picks up the BoomBerry box and looks at it carefully, trying to understand. Vito gently points to a tiny square on the side, a QR code. Grandma, now she is confused and curious. With Vito's help, she starts to see maybe this little code holds the answers. Vito scanned the box. The device displays a message, revealing the location. Happy Food Factory, Neon Street, Zone 4, under the purple dome. Luma says, "I want to see what's really inside this food." Luma and Grandma are on the way to that factory. The smart car rolls into Zone 4. A strange purple fog covers everything. It's thick and spooky. Luma and Grandma walk toward a giant factory. It looks big and shiny, but something feels off. A big sign says, "Only joy, no worries." But the words don't match the creepy feeling in the air. The imposing factory looms, its cheerful sign a deceptive mask. Luma and Grandma trying to enter the factory. Grandma, undertear, strides forward. Her determination unwavering. The big doors slide open with a whoosh. Inside, everything smells super sweet, like fake strawberry bubblegum. The air is thick with the sugary smell. It almost makes Luma wrinkle her nose. The doors are open. The lobby is empty. The Happy Food Factory shines bright and clean, but no people are around. All were robots. Robot arms move fast and smooth, working like dancers to put cereal boxes together perfectly. Luma looks very serious as she holds the BoomBerry cereal box, ready to scan it. The scanner lights up, showing all the facts about the cereal. The screen flashes a big number. Added sugar, 32 grams. Luma's eyes go wide. There's more sugar in one bowl than in a whole chocolate cake. She grips the box tighter. Luma doesn't say a word, but inside, she makes a promise. She's going to tell everyone the truth about this tricky cereal. Deep inside the Happy Food Factory, a strange man walks proudly. He's dressed in bright, chic clothes, but something about him feels off. Man cheerfully says, "Sugar makes people happy." He waves his hand with a big smile, but his words feel wrong, like he's hiding something. Man whispering, "No need to tell them what's really inside." In the middle of the busy, twisty factory full of machines, something catches Luma's eye. A small, plain door, easy to miss. It doesn't have a sign. It doesn't glow. It just sits there, quiet and secret. Luma stares at it. This door doesn't match the bright, colorful factory at all. Behind that door, something big is hiding, something powerful, something no one was meant to find. Luma, find the secret. But she wants to let everyone know what they are eating instead of food. A large red button commands attention. Show real ingredients to everyone. Grandma and Luma looking to each other. Together they press the red button. The fate of the factory now hangs in the balance. All across the city, the big screens that once showed happy cereal ads begin to flicker. The screens display the truth. 32 sugar, artificial colors, no natural ingredients. A wave of disbelief washes over the city as the grim truth about BoomBerry cereal is revealed. Once symbols of joyful mornings, the screens now broadcast a harsh indictment of deception. The screens have become a mirror, reflecting the bitter reality of the sugary lie. The school cafeteria buzzes with youthful, sad energy. Disbelief hangs heavy in the air. A young child breaks the silence. His innocent question, "Why did we eat this?" The factory manager was scared after revealing the truth by Luma. His eyes widen in horror. Time seems to slow as he realizes the broadcast cannot be stopped. The truth will be revealed. The manager was arrested and a new factory with real food took the place. Grandma smiles and says, "Sweetness is in the truth, not in sugar." She responds with, "Asking questions can change the world."